When your crew is constantly on the move, you need sanitation that can move with them. Introducing the Wordinger Rolling Relief Station, a rugged, mobile solution built for real-world, on-the-go sanitation needs. Each unit is equipped with heavy-duty fenders, steel-enclosed LED taillights, and a stainless steel clean water tank designed to handle tough job site conditions. Inside, you'll find stainless steel soap and paper towel dispensers, a standard-sized trash can, and greasable spindles for smooth, long-lasting operation. The Rolling Relief Station offers encapsulated trailer wires, an adjustable hitch, multiple hitch options, and a 7-way RV-style plug for dependable towing across any environment. Want more convenience? Add a weather-resistant lockable supply cabinet or an RV dump to customize your setup. Built from heavy-gauge steel and coated with truck-style commercial paint, this station is made to endure harsh elements and the demands of mobile work life. Upgrade your job site with dependable, mobile sanitation. Learn about our end-of-year specials and last-minute equipment tax deductions. Click below for more.